On Thursday, the Bank of England meet and are still expected to increase interest rates by 25 basis points here to tackle surging UK inflation. You can see UK inflation, although it's been trending lower over the last few months, it's still tripled the Bank of England's target. The recent slowdown in the UK housing market has prompted short-term interest rate markets to price out the high sort of 6% terminal rate that it had over a month ago. We're now seeing expectations for terminal rate to be about the 5.57, 5.56 region. Now, as a result of the recent slowdown in the UK economy, we can see that the UK economy has been shrinking significantly over recent data. And due to this, the pound has been losing value over the last few weeks. So when the Bank of England meets, will they stress growth concerns as reasons to avoid any further interest rate hikes? Is there even a chance that they hold rates? Short-term interest rate markets currently see a 22% chance of that outcome. Now, at the same week, we also have, after the Bank of England's meeting, the Bank of Japan meeting the night after. Now, will they formalise a communication to markets with regard to exiting their negative interest rate policy this week? They need to find a way to communicate that. Will they start doing it this week? If they did, then it would be reasonable to expect the yen to gain. Now, that means there is a possibility for significant pound-yen weakness ahead. Now, this ties in remarkably well with a very strong seasonal pattern that exists in the pound-yen. It's fallen 80% of the time over the last 15 years between September the 19th and October the 9th. It's had an average fall of over 3%. So is this now the time for these falls to begin? Major trade risks. The major trade risk here would be if the Bank of England signal a steeper rate path than short-term interest rate markets expect, and also if the Bank of Japan maintain their ultra-loose monetary policy and refrain from signalling the exit of their negative interest rate policy. Remember, don't just trade it, seize an exit.